Hello everyone, welcome to HODAY. Your health, we care. Let me show you how to use TENS and what you should pay attention to when using TENS. This TENS has a powerful rechargeable lithium battery and can be used for 24 hours on a single charge. The biggest feature of this product is that it comes with a B dual channel with 2-in-1 electrode leads, and 4-in-1 leads that allows you to apply 4 to 6 pads at once. How to use it? Here is an example of using 4 pads at the same time. First, take out 4 TENS unit pads and 2-in-1 electrode leads, and connect the pads to the electrode leads like this. Remove the protective film on the pads, attach pads to the treatment area. Make sure your skin is free from dirt, oil or lotion. Connect the electrode wire to the A/B channel hole on the TENS. Turn on the switch of TENS. Press the middle button to select the A/B channel. The A/B channel is used to control the intensity of different pads respectively. After selecting the channel, press the plus or minus button to gradually increase or decrease the intensity of this channel's pads. The TENS have 24 modes. You can use the M button to choose the mode that suits you. Use the T button to control the time each TENS uses. The default is 20 minutes and the maximum can be set to 60 minutes. You can press and hold the middle button for 3 seconds to suspend the use of TENS, of course. You can also long press the middle button to cancel the pause. We specially provide a bag for TENS, which is convenient for customers to put away or carry after use. This is where the pads are recommended to stick to the body. Make sure you have placed all the pads on your body. Otherwise it won't work. If you encounter any problems during use, please contact us and we will help you solve them. Our customer service email is support@hoday.co.